NSYSU College aims to develop interdisciplinary learning. We expect students to know more themselves via action-oriented learning or soft skill courses. Our responsibility is to achieve this goal. Our society would become entirely globalized in the future. We could make some breakthroughs with technology to adapt to future life. The presence of new technology leads teachers or students to be active and interactive during learning. If there is a space like this smart future classroom, likewise the involvement of talents, new teaching modes would be created.
My courses aim to let students know the world, which is consistent with what NSYSU College focuses on. The professional knowledge they own should connect with their daily life, the world, as well as global issues.
I've been to Japan. It was a free trip to Osaka. I found Japan quite different from Taiwan.
During the post-epidemic period, we suddenly found that the original teaching method was no more adaptable. Thus, we start finding the possibilities of distance learning. After that, we implement this teaching method gradually. At the moment, the Smart Future Classroom is the right solution. Even though we're unable to physically interact with our sister school, it's still easy to collaborate with them remotely. This Smart Future Classroom features terraced seats. Without tables and backrests, it's much easier for students to engage in class activities. The IP camera could automatically track the student who is speaking, so the scenes could be more vivid and interactive. Those digital gears makes teachers to think broadly about how to make the courses more interesting and attractive. I really enjoy using this classroom.
The most impressive thing for teachers is the unique teaching and learning experiences that advanced technology brings to us. As students walked into the classroom and saw the video wall and the equipment, they knew that this is not a traditional course. This classroom exactly boosts the interaction between students and teachers.
It's very much fun. Yeah. Okay.
I feel that the learning environment, equipment, and technology of the Smart Future Classroom could create ripple effects on the development of general education. It also makes students know that our college is continuously moving forward.
Now there is a classroom with such great equipment. So we're trying to combine the technology with students' creativity to make the class discussion more vivid and vigorous.
Picture for the English niveau, I think maybe it would be interesting if I make a video instead.
We will keep using this classroom to enhance foreign language learning as well as students' collaboration and interaction.
Due to the COVID-19, the teaching methods and learning modes are changing. The changes should be invoked by the created atmosphere. Just in time, there is a space at the 9th floor of our library, which is suitable for constructing a USR hub. The aim of the USR Hub is to make students experience the new learning modes with technology and remote learning tools. This is our plan.